everybody, it is Ro. Welcome to the channel. You see what time it is. We finally got our backing fixed. Fixed the right way. Ooh, got that motherfucker back. Look how dirty it is. It's been going for like a month at the shop. Got her back. Got her all back. Time to get her started. We're gonna take it on a rip for the first time. Well, you know, I made a couple pulls on the way back home, but we're about to make a couple rips. We're about to do the first burnout in the Hellcat that we have done in like 6 months. I have not done a burnout in like 6 months. Let's get it. It's cold out here, a little bit cold. We're running on that E85, baby, so car, a little bit of trouble starting up. Prime that pump a little bit. Ooh, we back in that Hellcat, boy. Look at that motherfucker. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Car back, and as you can see, I got a new blower on it. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I got my blower painted black to match everything, and I just had to pay $4,500 for a new blower, so I couldn't afford to get it painted again. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good like this. The black valve covers, silver supercharger case, black spout, blue lid. Got everything back on it. Looking good. So we got a new supercharger on this bad boy. From Pong. The ported bearing plate. We had to order it with the ported bearing plate because that's what my last supercharger had from SDG. Yeah. We got it fixed, baby. Let's take it on a rip. Woo! I drove this bad boy in a minute. Back this boy out the garage. Here we go, baby. Let's set it up. You already know what we do. Traction control all the way off, baby. Woo. Hope y'all can hear that supercharger like I can. So I can turn this window down a little so you can hear this supercharger. Took a long time to get it fixed. You see in my last couple of videos, the supercharger, it was all right. My last supercharger, it was fine. It was just until it got hot. When it got hot is when it made the noise. And it's not supposed to make the noise at all, so it was crazy. Too much gear lash, they said. Baby. be spinning the tires, boy. That thing is no joke, boy, I'm telling you. One hand whipping that thing, that's what I do. And I ain't drove that thing in a while. You guys, I did not hit 50% throttle on that. I'm serious, I did not hit 50% throttle on that. And it's just spinning the tires. Nothing. This car got that power, baby. Get down, boy. Gotta find us a spot, get us a little burnout going. Ain't done a burnout in like 6 months. You already know, baby. Look at that shit. Oh my gosh, bro, that was an insane burnout. Woo! I've not done a burnout like that in forever, bro. I haven't done a burnout at all in forever. That shit was fucking sick. Let's go, baby. As you can see, we're at about a quarter tank of gas. So we're gonna head to the gas station and get some gas, get some E85. I don't like to let this tank get under a quarter tank. They say you shouldn't or whatever, so you don't burn your pump up. So we're gonna head to the gas station and get some E85. Car's doing great. See what time it is, baby. Time to get some E85. Alright, as you can see, we tested the gas. This is how you test it. You can get this little E85 tester on Amazon for like $10. Fill it up to this blue line with water, E85 up to the green and yellow line, and then you wait for it to separate it. And that's how you know how pure the E85 is. So this is right on E85, which is good for most people. All right for my case, because my car is tuned to E70, but it's still okay. So now we're gonna fill it up. Hell yeah, we got it filled up. Look, dirty as hell, still shining like crazy. Look at that thing. Looks insane, dude. It's been a while since I had it. The car is hot now, so it should have no problem firing it up. Let's get it. How you pull out the gas station. All right, we're gonna take this baby home. We finally got it back. I gotta work 12 hours a day next couple of days. And then my first day off after that, I'm gonna wash this baby up and we're gonna make another video. I'm gonna make as much videos as I can before it starts snowing again. This is what I hate about Indiana. I wanna go somewhere where it's warm all year round so I can make videos. The car is finally fixed now. In the past year, this car has been down. I've only drove it for like 3 months out of the last year. So I got some plans for next year after this winter. I want to get me another car for the channel so I can keep steady videos. This is my #1 baby right here though. You already know it's my #1 baby. We're gonna keep content coming with this. I want to get some new wheels with this. Get some new wheels for this. All that. Content's not gonna stop on this. I just want to get another vehicle so I can make steady content because I really want to do this shit. So I want to get me another vehicle and we're gonna run it up. So we're gonna take it home, do a couple pulls. Let's get it. No time, baby. That wasn't even full throttle either. That was probably 80%. I don't know what that was. I was too focused on the road, but that was probably like 100. 60 to 100, bro. And that was pretty fast, but like I said, that wasn't 100. That's not like this car 60 to 100. Just got the car back. We having fun with it, baby. Got to do a burnout for the first time in like 6-8 months. Car sounding good. Car feels good. I love it. Car looks good. You already know. Appreciate everybody that's watched these videos. They haven't been very consistent. Sometimes weeks, sometimes months in between videos. And I know there's still people that is coming back and watching every video. So I really appreciate it. And like I said, next year we're gonna get another car. January, February, after the winter, we're gonna get another car so we can make some more content.